Do you want your partner to remember you day and night? Do you want only thoughts of you to occupy their mind? Then today's video is just for you. I'll be sharing some steps with you, by following which you can establish a stronghold in your partner's heart and mind. So, stay with me, because the steps I'm going to share will take your love life to a new level. So let's get started. Step number 1. Connect to the depths of the soul. Love is a feeling that creates a bond between two people, but the relationship from heart to heart becomes strong when we share the depths of our heart with our partner. It's not just an exchange of words, but a sharing of each other's emotions and dreams. When you share your desires, your dreams, and your deepest aspirations with your partner, you create a special kind of intimacy. Sharing your dreams, aspirations, and future plans evokes a sense of trust in your partner's heart and mind. This sharing doesn't just become a conversation, but acts as a bridge that brings your hearts closer together. It builds an understanding between you both, making you feel that there is something special between you. It gives a sense of emotional safety, where your ways of thinking, living, and realizing dreams are aligned with each other. A shared vision not only leads you and your partner towards common goals, but also instills a sense of dedication and commitment towards each other. When you share your fears, uncertainties, and vulnerabilities with each other, you build empathy towards each other and create a relationship that grows stronger with time. These moments of sharing with your partner, filled with truth and honesty, can create a solid foundation in your relationship. They form a bond that can withstand challenges and double the happiness and joy. Therefore, if you want your relationship to last forever and secure a permanent place in your partner's heart and mind, make sure to share your heart's feelings with each other, respect each other's dreams, and become a support system for each other's future. This is what true love is, where bonds are formed from the soul, from heart to heart. The next step you need to follow is create memorable moments. In the journey of life, there are moments that we always remember, and when we share these moments with our loved ones, they become even more special. The truth is that good memories can be made not only on special occasions, but also in the small moments of everyday life. A wonderful dinner, an evening spent together on the beach, or a long drive in the quiet night, all these moments can take your relationship to new heights. Imagine when you spontaneously plan a trip to a hill station with your partner. The excitement and those moments become a golden memory in your minds. Or when you do something unexpected for them, like cooking their favorite meal or watching their favorite movie together, these small gestures touch their heart. To make these memories even more unforgettable, you can capture photos or videos so you can later relive those happy moments. Instead of showcasing your love on social media, you can create a secret journal where only your special moments are recorded. This way, your personal moments remain a treasure between the two of you. Celebrating special dates like anniversaries or the date of your first meeting can also become a memorable moment. Planning something special on that date every year, giving each other surprise gifts, and spending quality time together, all these bring new energy into your relationship. Sometimes just spending a few moments alone, looking into each other's eyes without saying anything, can be as special as an expensive holiday trip. The peace you find in each other's arms becomes the greatest treasure of your memories. Living every moment to the fullest, making every minute spent together special, and keeping your love always fresh is the true mantra of love. Cherish the time you spend with your partner so that whenever you look back at those moments, a smile comes to your face. These memories are what bring you closer even during tough times and fill your life with happiness. And if you do this, you will definitely become an important part of your partner's life. The third step is going to be, listen to him always. Listening carefully to your partner is not just good behavior, but it also shows your deep understanding and trust in them. Every person wants to be understood, and when you listen to even the smallest details of your partner's words, it shows them how much you value them. This way, you not only hear their spoken words, but also sense their unspoken feelings. There is an emotional depth here that creates a strong bond between both of you. When you understand and appreciate your partner's thoughts and feelings, it gives them a sense of security. They realize that their partner will not judge them but will treat their feelings with respect. This communication brings transparency and openness to your relationship, reducing the scope for misunderstandings. In this way, by listening carefully to each other, you lay the foundation for a relationship that grows stronger over time. It becomes a relationship where you can completely trust each other without hiding anything. This is the true test of mutual respect and understanding, which deepens your love even more. So whenever you spend time with your partner, never miss the opportunity to listen to them. Even their smallest words can show you the depths of their heart. This is a route to mutual respect and trust, which will not only strengthen your relationship but also make you an amazing part of each other's life. Step number 4. Prioritize but don't lag behind. If you want your partner to become more invested in your relationship while remembering you, it's crucial to give them the opportunity to take the lead. This approach makes your partner feel that their role and preferences are valuable in the relationship, boosting their confidence in their decisions and choices. This doesn't mean you should always take a backseat or not express your desires. However, occasionally stepping back and allowing them to take the initiative shows that you appreciate their independence and decision-making abilities. Whether it's sending the first message, making a phone call, or planning an outing or date, let them take the first step. This approach will make them feel special and give them the freedom to contribute to the relationship in their own way. It's important to still offer your suggestions to maintain a flow of communication in the relationship. You can share your viewpoint and gently present your preferences, but let them make the final decisions. This way, a healthy balance is maintained where both partners have equal importance and respect. Additionally, it's essential to appreciate your partner when they plan something or take the initiative. This boosts their morale and motivates them to be even more involved in the future. Your appreciation will make them understand that you notice and support their efforts. Ultimately, it's all about balance. Allowing your partner to take the lead doesn't mean you set aside your wishes and desires. Think of it as a dance where sometimes you lead and sometimes your partner does, but together your relationship grows in beautiful harmony. In this way, you both understand each other better, respect each other, and feel more committed to one another. The 5th step you need to follow is the digital world. In today's digital world, where everyone is constantly engrossed in their smartphones and social media, it has become very easy to stay connected with your partner, no matter how far away they are. You can make your partner's day and remind them how much you miss them by sending cute texts, funny memes, or loving images. Imagine your partner, in the middle of a busy day, receiving a notification and finding that it's a message from you, sent just to make them laugh or feel special. Those loving words, a cute puppy image, or a funny meme can brighten up their daily routine with a smile. And it's not just about reminding them. You can use these digital tools to strengthen your relationship further. For example, sending a good morning or good night message shows that, no matter how your day goes, your partner is always part of the beginning and end of your day. Or, if something reminds you of your partner, you can send them an image or video saying, "This reminded me of you." Additionally, using digital platforms, you can share personal jokes with your partner that only the two of you understand. This personal touch makes your digital communication more meaningful and closer. Sometimes, you can write a long, heartfelt message for your partner, sharing your feelings, thoughts, and beautiful memories of the time spent together. This is like a digital love letter, making your partner realize how important they are in your life. So next time you think about how to make your partner feel special or remind them that you miss them, use the treasure trove of the digital world. Your loving messages, shared memories, or those funny memes can bring a smile to their face and remind them how special they are in your heart. Step number 6. Favoritism. Often we don't realize that the small things in our daily lives, which we tend to overlook in the simplicity of everyday routine, play a crucial role in our deepest relationships. These little things, like a favorite song you both share or a particular scent you use regularly, can transport your partner to another world. Your world. Imagine your partner is out shopping and suddenly hears a song they love, which reminds them of a beautiful evening spent with you. In that moment, they feel as if you are right there, touching their heart. Or, when they are at the mall and catch the scent you often wear, their mind instantly drifts towards you, feeling as if you are nearby. These special moments create a priceless treasure of memories. Your shared interests, like a specific type of movie preference or a private joke between you two, always give your partner a reason to smile when they encounter those things. These memories associated with small things build a deep connection that grows stronger with time. Furthermore, these small things can deepen your emotional bond. When you plan something special for your partner, like surprising them with their favorite food or organizing an unexpected picnic in their favorite park, these moments become unforgettable for both of you. Additionally, some physical items, such as gifts exchanged on your first date or photographs from shared experiences, reinforce the emotional intimacy between you. These items can be kept in your living space as a constant reminder of the beautiful moments you've shared together. By giving these little things a special place in your heart and sharing them with your partner, you create a world where only the two of you exist. This is the beauty of love. Sometimes, to reach the greatest heights, all we need are the small things that touch our hearts. Step number 7. Support his goals. Fully supporting your partner's dreams and goals is essential. When you genuinely back their ambitions and dreams, you become an integral part of their journey to success. Show excitement for their pursuits and encourage them at every step. When they see that you are standing by them in their aspirations, you earn a special place in their heart. Celebrate their victories and stand by them when they need support. This way, you make them feel that their dreams are not just theirs alone, but yours too. Respect their dreams and walk alongside them through every challenge. When you give your full effort to support them, they feel assured that someone is with them in their pursuit of success. Your positive support provides them with the strength to work even harder towards their goals. This will create a strong connection between the two of you, ensuring that you remain a constant presence in their heart and mind. Step number 8. Be curious. Show curiosity. Take an interest in your partner's daily life. Make an effort to understand their problems, their victories, and how they are feeling. When you make this effort to understand them, they will see you as their best friend and support system. When you stand by them in their difficult times, celebrate their joys, or encourage them when they're feeling down, you become their confidant. This makes them always remember you and strengthens the bond between you two. By being part of their joys, celebrating their successes, or giving them encouragement in tough times, you constantly show them that someone cares about them. This keeps you fresh in their heart and mind, deepening and strengthening your relationship. So friends, these were some special steps that will help you establish a permanent place in your partner's heart and mind. We hope that with these steps, your love life will be filled with a little more love, a little more closeness, and a lot more happiness. If you liked today's discussion, don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with every video we release. And yes, don't forget to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments. Every comment is special to us. Your feedback helps us improve further. We'll continue to meet you in every new video on this channel, so until next time, take care.